Waking up this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you? Said I was coming to your place, your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. 'Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change, yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. In our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said hi. I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy 'cause I just thought of you the other day. Takes long with us, following you back to your place. Feels like we're right where we left off, and now I'll make sure this time I make it count. 'Cause we're not the same that we used to be. But some things don't change, yeah, some things don't change. Just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and fell in love. At times we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. In over our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart.
The front cover is all you see, yeah. You even have it just for show, yeah. Never return to the library, 'cause you wanna read it slowly. Then you cringe at every page you read, and rip up every page you see. I ain't romance, more like mystery, but you never know it though. You say that I'm crazy, but you don't know me. But you don't know me. You say that it's easy, but you don't know me. But you don't know me. Yeah. Don't rage when you lose the face, 'cause you're only on page 2. Oh, you thought the words were see-through. You thought my blur was the issue. They say the best people are crazy too. You say that I'm crazy, but you don't know me. But you don't know me. You say I'm a closed book. I'm sorry, sorry, so sorry. It's because I can't explain my situation easily. But here's one thing you should know: I'm doing it for my sanity. I never make disclosures, 'cause I never